Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about on helical spring problems. You should purchase one data handbook for your reference. All the formulas that are there in the data book. I will write the formula and equation numbers. You should also simultaneously note on the formulas and easy to solve the problems. Okay, first problem. Design a helical spring to support an axial load of 3000 Newton. Data. Load is given, F is given 3000 Newton. I will and the deflection under the load is limited to 60 millimeter. Y is given, deflection is Y, 60 millimeter. The spring index is C, means spring index is 6. Spring index means D by small d ratio. Diameter of coil to the diameter of the wire is called as spring index. The spring is made up of a steel, chrome vanadium steel. Spring is made up of chrome vanadium steel. FOS, factor of safety, is given 2. Okay. This is the data. First, from table 20.1 for chrome vanadium steel. uh, you should note down tau y is equal to 690 megapascal and rigidity modulo G is equal to 79.34 gigapascal is equal to 79.34 into 10 power 3 Newton per millimeter square or megapascal. Okay, these two data are there in the data book from 20.10, table number 20.10, note down. And first one, where tau is given in data book, where I have standard tau shear stress, where tau shear stress is equal to tau y by factor of safety. Tau y how much? 690 megapascal, means Newton per millimeter square, divided by FOS is given 2, divided by 345 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, first one, to design a diameter of the spring. Dia of wire small d to find. Shear stress to formula ಇದೆ, where shear stress tau is equal to 8F dk divided by pi dq. Equation number 20.22. I know 8F d is not given. Where how to find out k? K is 4, I think 4c minus 1 divided by 4c minus 4 plus 0.615 divided by c. Equation number 20.23, where c is given. C is how much? 6. C is 6. Substitute 4 into 6 minus 1 divided by 4 into 6 minus 4, where k is equal to answer 1.2525. Spring index. Spring index is equal to C is equal to D by D ratio. C 6 is equal to, I don't know, D divided by D. Oh, what is capital D is equal to multiplication 6 into D. Okay, next shear stress formula, where 8FDK by pi dq. Equation number 20.22. substitute all the datas. 8 into F is 3000 Newton into D. I don't know D. Capital D. Capital D is equal to 6 into D. 6 into D is equal to, what is K? K value is 1.2525. 1.2525 divided by pi into dq. D and D is cancelled, remaining is 2. Tau value 345. Okay, also tau value is 345. Tau value. I have D is answer 12.89. Approximately standard value 13 mm. Small d is given. Okay, and capital D, dia of coil, capital D. Okay, capital D is equal to 6 into D. 6 into 13, capital D is equal to 77.39, approximately 78 mm. Okay, D naught is equal to Di, where D naught is equal to capital D plus small d is equal to capital D, how much? 78, plus small d is 13, is equal to 91 millimeter, where Di, inner dia of coil, D minus small d, 78 minus 13 is equal to 63 millimeter. D naught is outer dia of coil, where Di is inner dia of coil. Next, third one, number of coils. Number of coils are active coils, it's known as I. Okay, formula, deflection formula, where y is equal to 8f d cube into I divided by d to the power of 4 into g. Equation in data book 20.29. 20.29. Y is given 60 in the problem, where 8 into F means 3000 into D is, this is 78, 78 whole cube into I don't know I, to find out I, this is the active coils, divided by d to the power of 4, the small d is 13 to the power of 4 into rigidity modulus, where G is 79.34 into 10 power 3. Okay, where I is equal to 11.94, approximately 12 numbers. Okay, 12 numbers. And then free length, fourth one, free length L naught to find, where formula L naught is equal to I plus N into D plus Y plus A. I don't know L naught. To find Y and A, for Y is equal to, for deflection formula, you have to note down the formula, put 12, I is equal to 12 and Y is not substitute to find out new Y, where Y is equal to, same formula I have to substitute, Y is equal to 8f dq into I divided by d to the power of 4 into G. Equation number 20.29. Same formula I have to substitute. I don't know, I need Y. 8 into 3000 into 78 cube into what is I? Where I is number of active coils is 12 numbers, divided by, where D is 13 to the power of 4 into 79.34 into 10 power 3. Calculate this equation. You have how much? is 60.31 is given. Okay, next I know y, I don't know a1. I don't know a is equal to, first one, a equals to have 25% clearance, 25% clearance, where 25 divided by 1000, 100%, 25% divided by 100% into y. Y is, this is, where 25 divided by 100 into 60.31. What is the answer? 15.07 millimeter. We have to substitute these equation y and a values. Okay, next fill in there, L naught is equal to I plus n into d plus y plus a. I means how much? 12, plus n is constant. N is constant. N is 2. What is d? D is 13 mm plus y how much? 60.31 plus a is equal to 15.07. Have to calculate. 257.4 millimeter is free length, L naught. Next we calculate about pitch P, where P is equal to L naught minus 2 into D divided by I, where L naught is 257.4 minus 2 into D how much? 13, small d, divided by I is equal to, I is 12 members, where answer is 19.28, approximately 20 mm. Next we will calculate required rate of spring. Required rate of spring, F naught. F naught, how to calculate? F divided by y, where F is, I know, 3000 Newton, where y is given 60 mm. I will show you 60 mm. This is the deflection, where the deflection is under load is limited to 60 millimeter. Answer is 50 Newton per millimeter. This equation is in data book, the formula is given in 20.30, page number, equation number 20.30, and also actual rate of spring, where F naught is equal to d to the power of 4 g divided by 8 into I into dq. This formula is also 20.30, equation number. Both equation, this equation and this equation, both equations are there in the data book from table 20 point from equation 20.30. I have to substitute 13 to the power of 4 d, small d, 13 to the power of 4 into g is 79.34 into 10 power 3 divided by 8 into 12 into dq, 78 whole cube. Calculate this equation. F naught is equal to 49.74 Newton per millimeter. Okay, this is the design of helical spring. You must practice these problems for your examination for 10 marks. This is a helical spring. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and do bell icon, share, comment. Thank you.